Today we're making hash browns. I bet you would forget Macdonald's hash browns after trying this recipe. Firstly, shred 3 medium-sized potatoes using a vegetable grater. Rinse shredded potatoes with cold water until water is clear, then drain and squeeze dry. Pro tip is rinsing shredded potatoes with cold water helps remove excess starch and make potatoes more crispy. Take a bowl and add in the 4 tablespoon flour, 4 teaspoons mozzarella cheese, 1 to 2 egg, 1 finely chopped onion, 1 tablespoon grated garlic, a bunch of handful coriander, 1/2 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, and 1/2 tablespoon black pepper powder. Then mix everything until combined. Now in a large frying pan heat about 3 to 4 tablespoon oil over medium heat. When you see oil is sizzling hot, place potatoes into the pan in a 1/2 inch thick layer and shape them in a rectangle or whatever shape you like. Cook each side for about 4 minutes or until golden brown. You can cook 2 to 3 in one batch or more if you're using a larger skillet. Take them off the pan and place them on paper towels. Serve immediately with ketchup or any sauce of your choice. Hope you liked our video. Share and watch this space for more easy and quick recipes. Enjoy.